Zaanse Schans is a living museum that transports you back to the 18th and 19th centuries, offering a perfect glimpse into the industrial history of the Netherlands. Located just a short distance from Amsterdam, it is most famous for its collection of historic windmills that stand proudly along the banks of the Zaanse River. These windmills were once used for everything from sawing wood to grinding spices and oilseeds, and several of them are still operational today. You can step inside these giant structures to see the massive wooden gears in motion and feel the power of the wind. Beyond the windmills, the village is filled with traditional green wooden houses, charming bridges, and historic workshops. At the Clog Workshop, you can watch a live demonstration of how traditional Dutch wooden shoes are made from a simple block of wood. Another highlight is the cheese farm, where you can learn about the craft of making Gouda and Edam, and of course, enjoy plenty of free samples. The air in Zaanse Schans often smells like chocolate because of the nearby cocoa factories, adding a sweet atmosphere to your walk. Whether you are exploring the bakery museum or simply taking photos of the iconic skyline, Zaanse Schans provides an unforgettable experience of classic Dutch heritage.